Welcome back to my channel Marvel's Tutor. In this video, we are going to see computer hardware. So, what is the meaning of hardware? To be simple, hardware is a physical component or the physical parts of your computer. To be elaborate, hardware refers to the physical component or part of the computer, and they are tangible in the sense we can able to see and also touch these part of the devices. Say for example, monitor, mouse, CPU, keyboard. These are all the components we can able to see as well as we can able to touch. Okay, yes. So this is nothing but the hardware. Next we are moving to the types of hardware. Okay, so the hardware divides into two types. One is the internal hardware and another one is the external hardware. The internal hardwares are nothing but the components or the parts which present inside to the CPU, the central processing unit. Then we call it as the internal hardware. The internal hardware is also called as the components. The external hardware is nothing but the components or the parts or the device which is present outside we can able to see. Okay, yes, so it is called as the external hardware. External hardware is also called as peripherals. Some of the examples of internal hardwares are motherboard, hard drives, ram is nothing but random access memory. So these are all some of the examples of internal hardware or components. And what are the example of the external hardware? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner. These are all some of the external hardware we can see outside. Okay, yes. So the external hardware is also called as peripherals. Now we will see some of the meaning for certain hardware which we saw now. Okay, yes. The first one we already discussed about the motherboard, hard drives, RAM. Okay, now we are going to see what is the real meaning and what are the functionality of all these particular hardwares. Okay, yes. The first one is the motherboard. Okay, yes. So motherboard which connects other internal components. To be elaborate, motherboard is a main circuit board. The internal components are connected with that, that is the motherboard, which allow the communication between the connected internal components. Okay, this is nothing but the motherboard. The motherboard only having all the connectivity of the internal components and which allow the internal components to communicate with each other. Okay, this is called as the motherboard. And next one is the hard drives. Hard drives are the external storage devices. It is used to store the data. Okay, yes. So it is the external storage devices. It is used to store the digital data content. To be very simple, the example for the hard drives are CDs and then the DVDs. Okay, these are all the best example for the hard drives. And the next one is the RAM, random access memory. This is also used for storing the data or the information temporarily. Okay, yes. This is also going to store the data or the intermediate information but for temporary purpose. The next one is the monitor. Usually we all know the literal meaning of monitor. Monitor is used to display the data or the information. Okay, yes. So this monitor which displays the information in visual form, which displays the information or the data in visual form to the user. Okay, yes. And the next one is the keyboard. We all know what the keyboard do. Okay, it is used for typing the text or the numbers. To be very simple, the keyboard which allow the user to feed the information to the computer. Okay, yes, which feed the information. That information may be a text or the number. Okay, as a input to the computer, which is called as the keyboard, which allow the user to feed the text or the number to the computer. Then we call it as the keyboard. Keyboard is a input device. Okay, yes. And the next one is the mouse. Mouse is used to select the item. Okay, yes. So it is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device which is used to select the items which are present in the screen, which are available in the screen. Okay, yes. So mouse is a small pointing device, okay, which is used to select the thing or select the icons or the items in the screen, available in the screen. And the next one is the printer. See, as the name itself indicates, the printer used for printing purpose. See, basically printer is an output device which is used for printing the documents, photos, file, text, images, or the combination of all these things. Okay, yes. So that is the main functionalities of the printer. Printer is used for printing some content. Okay, yes. And what about the last one? That is the scanner. Scanner is used for scanning purpose. Okay, yes. So scanner comes under the sort of input device which is used for scanning the documents, photos, files, text, images, etc. Okay, yes. This is the main purpose of the scanner. Okay, in next video we will see about the software. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting further videos. Thanks for watching.